You can charge burst shoot by holding burst button. Burst power is determined by how long you hold the burst button. You can charge a mega burst shot by holding the burst button until it reaches 100% charge. Mega burst shot has a high critical chance and can instantly break through enemy shields. Available burst shoots and available mega burst shoots are indicated in bottom right corner based on available energy. Mega burst shot requires 4 available normal burst shots. Burst shoot has chance to stun enemy for few seconds. Mega burst can be devastating once landed with critical. Burst damage received is indicated on the screen. Burst is a crucial game mechanic, especially against large enemy groups, thanks to its powerful piercing ability and against stronger shielded units.